Got my Beyonce box. Let's unbox it. Oh, I might have to change it to my Beyonce shirt. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with a CD. Oh, this is collected poster. This is my picture. Get on good. This is given I got my body done. This too, but it's okay because it's the queen. I like this one too. Yes, baby. Yes, girl. So confused on why there's a real CD in here. Like, when's the last time y'all seen a CD? Look at B. Let's get into the shirt. It is thick. Look at B up close. Hey girl. It's 100% cotton. Beyonce XL. Made in Honduras. And then the back says Renaissance. So I'm wearing this to the concert because we know she going on tour. Renaissance. So I thought my good sis B tricked us. I thought she gave everyone the same shirt regardless of the box. But my box is number 2 and her hands are high. My friend ordered box number 1 and her hands are low on the horse. So literally pose 1, pose 2, pose 3, and pose 4. Or that's that. Same shirt, different pose. All right, B, I see you. Still wanna know what to do with the CD. I'm still gonna rock my shirt though. And play Renaissance. I'll see y'all later. Oops. Bye. Bye. Say bye, Beyonce.